This lecture, The Effects of the Great Depression, profiles the human experience of the Depression for many Canadians through the analysis of a series of pictures. Your task. On each slide, you will find a picture relating to what Canadians experienced during the Depression. There are 2 questions that you will need to evaluate for each picture. First, what word best describes the picture? Second, what's the story in the picture? After taking time to think about these questions, advance the slide to see what is the true story behind the picture. The experience of the Depression. The 1930s would be the most difficult economic decade in Canadian history. Many Canadians struggled with finding employment and other basic necessities of life. This is a reminder that change is always occurring, and sometimes that change can be drastic.